everyone, welcome back again. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the Puna Store makeup sponge, and along with that I'm going to compare it with the PAC beauty blender. So before start the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit on the tiny bell button to get notified whenever I'll upload a new video for you all. Your love and support means a lot to me and also help me to grow my channel. This is the Puna Store makeup sponge and this is the PAC beauty blender. Puna Store is a brand which is available on Amazon, and they have some good quality makeup brushes and makeup sponges and few other makeup items. If you are fond of arty makeup brushes then and find them very costly, then you can buy the exact dupe, which is the Puna Store makeup brushes. And also Puna Store make the exact dupe of arty makeup sponge, which is orange in color, and they also made this green color makeup sponge. If you're a beginner and don't want to spend much on makeup sponge or brushes, then Puna Store is a good option for you to try out. First time I'm using the Puna Store makeup sponge. I haven't used the makeup brushes yet, but have had good reviews on them. But I'm using the PAC one since 2 to 3 years now. This is my second one, and I'm completely rely on the PAC one's quality and its performance and blending makeup. Let's see how the Puna Store works. After this conversation I'm going to add a demo video where I will blend my half of my face makeup with Puna Store beauty blender and half of my face makeup using the PAC one. We will see how both the blenders are working, which one is good to try out. Let's first talk about the price. The Puna Store one comes to 75 rupees for 2 beauty blenders, and the PAC one come 485 rupees for 1 beauty blender. And when it comes to packaging, the Puna Store one comes inside this normal plastic kind packaging, and there are 2 beauty blenders space. One I have removed now, and the PAC one comes inside this cardboard packaging with securely packed. As you can see, the Puna Store one is little bigger than the PAC one, and the PAC one shape is teardrop kind shape, and the Puna Store has flat dual flat base kind shape, and the PAC one is more squeezier than the Puna Store one. Okay, now I'm going to apply my foundation one side of my face with using the Puna Store one, and half of my face using the PAC one, and let's see which one is working better. I have already used the PAC one earlier, like 2-3 years. It has been 2-3 years I'm using the PAC one, and I am completely comfortable with the sponge. And I am going to apply the Puna Store one for the first time. Let's see how it works. So today I'm going to use my Nail HD foundation. These days I'm loving this foundation, and it has very nice coverage. So now I have washed both the blenders, and as you can see, the size is almost equal now. And after washing, the Puna Store one is little stiff kind, or not much squeezier, while the PAC one is way too squeezier and very soft. So let's apply the foundation now. So now I'm going to blend this side of my face with using the Puna Store beauty sponge. Let's see how it works. So I'm almost done. I'm done with blending the left side of my face using the Puna Store one, and blends quite well. though it takes a little time, but it blends quite well. In beauty blender, we normally, the way of blending is just dab and dab and dab, but in this Puna Store one, it is like dab and drag kind technique. You have to apply, like you have to dab and you have to drag a bit, because otherwise I feel it doesn't blend properly. That's what I feel, and it absorbs quite a lot of product. As you can see, it absorbs quite a lot of product, and the coverage is not that much. Let's see how the PAC one works. Now I'm going to blend this side of my face with the PAC beauty blender. So now I'm done with both sides of my face, and as you have noticed, I don't know if you have noticed, but it takes a tiny little less time using the PAC beauty blender, and the coverage is also, it is not noticeable in the camera, I know, but in real it is little more than the Puna Store one. And as you can see, the product absorbed by the beauty blender is less than the Puna Store one. It means the Puna Store one is absorbing way too product than the PAC one, and you will need more product with the Puna Store one than the PAC one. See in the demo video, the Puna Store's performance and the PAC ones is not that much difference. They are almost similar kind. The PAC one blends little faster than the Puna Store one, and the Puna Store one takes little more time to blend the foundation, but it's okay because the price factor is also matters here. On 275 you're getting 2 beauty blenders, and I think that's a very good deal to grab. If you are a beginner in makeup or learning makeup now, then you definitely don't want to spend a high amount in makeup brushes or sponges, then this Puna Store one is a good option for you to try out. So that's all about today's video. Hope you found it helpful. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.